How to purchase crypto on Revolut X 2025 updated tutorial. Step 1. Log into Revolut X. Go to Revolut X on your web browser or open the Revolut X mobile app. Then log in using your Revolut account credentials. Make sure you've already accepted the Revolut X terms and conditions. Step 2. Fund your Revolut account. Before buying crypto, make sure you have fiat funds, e.g., USD, EUR, GBP, in your Revolut main account. If needed, top up via bank transfer, debit, credit card, Apple Pay or Google Pay. Note, you'll need to transfer funds from your Revolut wallet into your Revolut X balance. Step 3. Access the trading interface. On the Revolut X dashboard. Use the search bar or market list to find the crypto you want to buy, e.g., BTC, USD, ETH, EUR. Then click on the pair you're interested in. Step 4. Place a buy order in the order panel on the right. Choose Buy. Then select order type between market order, which buys instantly at the best available price, while limit order buys at a specific price you set. Then enter the amount of crypto or fiat you want to spend. And click Place Order. And lastly, Step 5. Confirm and monitor your order will be executed instantly, market order, or placed in the order book, limit order. You can track it in the Orders or Trades tab. And once complete, your crypto balance will show in your Revolut X portfolio. And that's it for this video. I hope you learned something in this tutorial, but that was it then. See you again in the next video.